If you want to turn your videos into slow motion or reduce the speed using CapCut, then you are in the right video. I'm going to show you how you can do this with just a few clicks under 2 minutes. So let's begin right away. First of all, open up the CapCut application, and once you are inside the Media tab, you can import any of your desired media, but I'm going to use a stock footage from the library. Once you have added your footage onto the timeline, you can simply click on it to have it selected. You will now see the speed option at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it. And if you have already seen the video where I show you how you can speed up your clips, then the process is just the same, but you simply decrease the speed instead of increasing it. So in this case, from the speed slider, I can simply swipe towards the left to achieve my desired speed. You can also enter your desired speed value directly within the box and press enter, and this will apply your desired speed onto your video right away. Now with the speed tab selected, you can also drag the small white part at the top section of your video clip within the timeline, and once you click and hold, you can adjust your desired speed by simply dragging within the timeline. Now if you would like to add slow motion throughout various different sections of your video, then you will need to use a speed ramp or do it manually. You can simply cut before the section where you want to lower down the speed, and then choose the end point once again. After making another cut at the end point, you can simply choose your clip of which you would like to decrease your speed, and then you can once again choose the speed slider or the slider within the timeline itself. Alternatively, you can also select the clip, and from the speed section, make sure to choose the curve option. This will now show you various different kinds of curves. You can use the preset curves, which will give you the curve that you can edit. Within this curve menu, the speed changes will be shown using the graph. Now, if the line moves upward from this middle line, then this means that the speed will be increased. So you can simply drag this below to decrease the speed and move your video towards slow motion. You can also create your own curve by choosing the custom option. Now from the duration section, you will be given 3 points by default that corresponds to different points within your clip. To decrease the speed, you can swipe the slider and move the graph downward. Then when you check the preview, you will find that your footage has been turned into slow motion. You can add multiple points by clicking on the plus button if you would like to change your speed between your speed ramps. And by following this method, you can slow down or speed up your videos based on your desire. If you would like to reduce the duration of your slow motion, then you can simply decrease the distance of the curve between the 2 points. Once you do this, the slow motion duration will be reduced based on your choice. And there you have it. That is how you can change your videos into slow motion using the CapCut application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.